Here we are in Bhasantapur. It's like just over 7,000 feet up in the Himalayas. What a great place. You know, it's just really love it. We just stayed at a hotel just down the road there, the Yak Hotel. And I was up at 6 this morning, watched the sunrise.
Our Tamur adventure isn't just about the incredible rafting. The first part of the trip is a 4-day walk that leads us through incredible cultures, offering stunning vistas of the Himalayan mountains.
The trekking is it's not at all difficult. We're not carrying anything other than a small day pack and lots of stops. But it's not just a walk in the park. It is a proper walk, but it's just a good walk in the countryside, but with magnificent views.